What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? TGIF, happy Friday. So we're gonna try to make this a quick little video. PCE numbers came out today. We're gonna take a look at that data and the implications. We're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin chart, which is holding up, pretty interesting. And we're gonna take a look at a meme coin called Toshi. Some people are thinking it can get to a $40 billion market cap. So let's take a look at that. It's on base. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, first let's do right here. The Commerce Department data showed personal consumption expenditure, PCE price index. The Fed's preferred inflation gauge was unchanged on a monthly basis in May and rose 2.6 annually, all along expectations. Excluding the volatile food and energy components, the core figure increased 0.01% month to month to 2.6 annually. Chances of a rate cut in September inched up to 68% from 61% before the data, as per FedWatch data. This is the perfect report. It gives the Fed the green light to cut in September and sets the stage for the dovish rhetoric to continue, which we will hopefully hear in the July meeting. It shows the Fed measures are working and keeps a soft landing still on table, says Jay Woods, Chief Global Strategist of Freedom Capital Markets. All right, so that information came out today. That data came out today. Bitcoin reacted to it nonchalantly. The other markets did. S&P 500 looked at, started moving up. Nasdaq also looked at it, and the Dow also. So that's good. We like that. Back to BTC. Notice how it's just right hugging this line. Basically, bodies are kind of like above and beyond, or above and underneath, like just in the middle of this line where the bodies are. What we also see here is the four rejections. For now, today, 4 rejections. What's interesting, guys, is that today's the 28th. Okay, on the 30th, on Sunday, the weekly candle is going to close. The monthly candle is going to close. The 6 months candle is going to close, and I think like a quarterly candle is also going to close. So it's interesting to see what's going to happen here. How does it look right now to me? It looks like we're not going to get this, and we're going to drop a little bit lower and kind of hang out down in this area. But I don't think we'll know until next week, because Saturday and Sunday are upon us, and I think Saturday and Sunday, more or less, we're going to hang out here. Although I think no, that wasn't Sunday. Which day was Sunday? This was Sunday. Normally Saturday and Sunday look like this little Saturday one right here, just small little. Saturday, Sunday. See that right here? Saturday, Sunday. Just small little bodies, small little wicks. So I can envision something like that, just right around here or right above it, or just underneath it, or more or less what we are right here. Just the body in the middle, the body just above and below, right? The line right in the middle of these bodies. Pretty interesting. Getting really tight, right? Not moving too much. So if that continues, then a big move is going to happen, up or down. But usually when things get tight like this, that means a move is coming. Okay, but it could still be weeks away. It could still be months away. I maintain that we still have a couple months to kill, right? So basically all of the summertime. Although it wouldn't surprise me if we do move up before that. It would surprise me a little bit more if we move down and lose this. I just don't see it happening. Look at this big wick right here. All right, that thing got eaten up pretty quickly. There's a lot of interest, okay, and there's more coming. There's more waves coming. Don't forget, there's more waves coming. This data from PCE, the PCE data is important, okay, because we are waiting for that rate cut. If you didn't see the video that I made this week regarding rate cuts and the type of rate cuts that affect these markets, the importance of the type of rate cuts, you should definitely go see that, because that rate cut is going to be important. The reason why for the rate cut is going to be extremely important. Okay, and so we'll see if this continues and they make a rate cut in September. Then that's just because, like a normal rate cut, that bodes well for the market. And 12 months from that day, I mean from that cut, more or less is where I think we're going to see the Bitcoin top. All right, so keep that in mind. Okay. And I think that's it for Bitcoin. Pretty much just sideways. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, All right, so Saturday and Sunday is going to be boring. More or less, I think we're probably going to stay right around here. I don't expect a big drop, especially with the PCE data that came out. I think we're going to stay more or less right here. Maybe, just maybe, we pump up. Boom. We pump up and go above this line. Let's see what happens later today. It's still early by the time when I'm making this video. All right, if not, then I think say sideways, and then next week, maybe some more sideways. But next week, you know, Monday, this line is up already at like 62,700, and next week it'll be up at around, yeah, by Thursday it'll be at 63,000. Okay, so maybe it'll be just kind of underneath this line right here next week. We'll see, or dropping, but right around here. I have a tough time seeing. Maybe we test this down here one more time, 58,164. Maybe next week we might test it. Depends on what type of news and stuff comes out. But I think we keep it. I don't think we go below it. All right. Get your buys in, guys. Get your buys in, because once the summertime is done, that's it. And talk about buys. Toshi. Now this is a base play, okay? Toshi's also a meme coin play, and some people think that this thing could get to a $40 billion market cap. Right now it's at 103 million market cap. That's, for me, that's high because I like low cap gems, okay? 228,000 volume, not a whole lot, but a lot of people are bullish on this, and I'm thinking of maybe I might make one more buy. I've only have 3 small little buys, okay? But I do have a tiny bit of capital, and I'm trying to figure out where to put it. Right now, my preference is memes because all my other plays are all set. So this might be an interesting play, Toshi on base. And right now, where the price is at, pretty good before it eventually starts pumping up, I think. We'll see. This is interesting right here, too. All right, so maybe we still drop a little bit more. Maybe. It's forming a triangle. That's interesting, huh? All right, let's see what happens. But Toshi, looking like a good play. People are bullish on this project. Something to keep an eye on if you're still looking. Maybe you want to look at that. I'll add one more. I'll give you a nice little bonus. Soon is a gaming play. I don't know if I had a dream about it or something like that, or what. But this thing, my average buy was right here. Okay, I started buying, and I thought I did really well because, I mean, the consolidation. I mean, I bought over the course of a while, and I was very bullish on it because the market cap is so low. But this is 89 days, almost 3 months, okay, of me just buying, and I bought a large position. This is one of the bigger investments that I've made, and from there it just started dropping. Now I believed in the project still, so that's why I didn't sell. That's why I didn't sell, or else I would have bought down here. I would have bought some of this. I didn't because I had bought so much here. I would have bought right here, but I just didn't because, again, I had a lot of capital that I put in there. So I just mistimed it. Bad timing. That's okay. I think it's going to come back. And right now, buying at a 0.00. Bad timing on my part. But this, I think, Soonverse is actually at a great buy price, and eventually this is a gaming play, and eventually the gaming sector is going to come back, and it's probably going to come back strong because it's been beat up a lot. And this thing keeps moving up. Look at that, but it's still at a good area to buy, in my opinion. Let's take a look at the overall chart. This thing came way back down to almost all-time highs. I wish I would have had money to put in, but again, I just put it all in here, so I just have to be patient and wait. But you, someone that's never been in the project, you're buying it at a great price right here. 0.007. Definitely want to take a look at. All right, and I think that is pretty much it, guys. My son is here. He just woke up. He's got his little Spider-Man thing on. He's got his cool little hair. He's happy. We're gonna see what we can do today. Enjoy our day. So with that, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. If you can, please leave a comment, and please subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff helps. With all that said, I will see you guys Monday. Have a great weekend. Have a good one. Peace. Want to say bye-bye? No, he's yawning. He doesn't want to say bye-bye.
Sí.
You do? Fine. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Es que estaba por presente.
I understand, but they don't speak English. See ya. Bye-bye. All right. See you guys later.